Okay, guys, so oh my God, crazy. Ah. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all, I look so crazy right now, but I don't fucking care because this is the real me. This is the true me. This is Tia Zamara. I don't get up. I don't do my hair. I start doing shit before I take a shower. You know, like, that's me. And today I'm just so fucking excited because today is moving day. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I'm about to forget. No, it's like no, but okay. So y'all, I didn't live out the hood. I kind of just lived in the regular apartment neighborhood, and I'm finally moving up in the world. Me and my boyfriend are finally moving up. We're moving to some luxury apartments, and today is moving day. And he's not here. He's at work right now. Today's a Thursday, and let me fix my camera. Today is Thursday, and I'm just ready to move. Like, I don't fucking need help. Y'all see a bitch can get it done on her fucking own. One thing about me, when I want something done, I'm not waiting, I'm not asking, I'm just fucking doing. And if I gotta strain my back in the process, then oh fucking well. So, as y'all see, I'm a real frugal bitch. I'm a real, what's that word? Innovative bitch. And I got a little chair with some wheels on it. So everything that I can pack up in my car right now is going on that fucking chair and it's going in my fucking car, and I'm gonna go pay them this money and I'm gonna go start unpacking shit in the apartment. So I'm gonna go take a shower real quick though and brush my teeth because I haven't done any of that yet. And today's moving day, bitch. We out here. Okay, y'all. So it's time to do the fucking tour, bitch. Come here, Simba. I'm gonna leave my little box out here now, but I'm gonna turn this camera around and I'm gonna give y'all. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. I will be changing the tile. Okay. Now to our left, let me turn on some lights, honey. To our left, we have this little entryway where I have a closet here. Nice little coat closet. Then to our right, then we have this bathroom here. I'm gonna be changing this tile. Y'all stay tuned for all my little DIY videos. Okay. Okay. Stay tuned for all of my DIY videos I'm gonna be doing because I'm gonna be revamping the kitchen and the bathrooms and everything pretty much. So yeah, got some more, you know, nothing too fancy, you know. Okay, so then you come to this room, and this is going to be my beauty room, you guys. This is gonna be my beauty room, you guys. And I'm probably just gonna use this as my closet and let my boyfriend have the closet that's in our room, because this will pretty much be the closet that this will probably be the room that I get ready in. Come on, Simba. So, yeah. Yes. This is kind of like the room. I really didn't want carpet, but you know, I thank God for anything. Okay. Okay. Then this is the laundry room. Washer dryer. Finally, I can stop washing my clothes at my mom's house. Then they got these little cabinets. Simba's doggy food will be going in there. Okay, then we're back out here. Oh, let me turn this light off. Then we're back. What the hell? Let me pull my shit in. Make sure ain't nobody steal my shit, okay? All right, so now we walk down this little hallway here and we have the kitchen. Le kitchen. You got a nice little bar. I don't know if I want to put 3 or 4 chairs here because I don't want it to look super like small and crunched together. But I really think 4 chairs will fit here fine. So I'll probably put 4 bar stools there. Here is the kitchen. Like I said, I'll be changing this flooring. I'll definitely be changing this. And unfortunately, the stove that we have now is a downgrade, but I'm still thankful for a fucking stove, bitch. And a kitchen with this much space, because our kitchen before was kind of like just a straight little walkthrough. So this is the kitchen now. Nice tall cabinets. Then this is like kind of like the dining area over here. As y'all see, we have high ceilings. Let me get y'all a view from back here. Let me get y'all a view from back here. Yeah, shorty. Yes. Okay. So as y'all see, this is the living room space. It's no light over there. So hopefully y'all can see everything. But yeah, that's the living room space. And I'm gonna come like closer over here so y'all can see the like the whole contraption. That's the dining room space over there. And then this was like the living room from this kind of angle. Yes. Say hi, Woody. Say hi, Woodies. Say hi, Woodies. Okay, now this is the other bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it's a-okay with me because we have 2 bedrooms, so we won't need as much in this bedroom that we have right now. Because right now I have like my vanity, everything in my current bedroom. Then this is the second closet. Well, not the second one, but you know, second bedroom, first, whatever bedroom closet. This is the closet. And then here's another closet, which is supposed to be a linen closet, but I might just use this for a shoe closet. I might just use this for my shoes or something. He is just so fucking nosy. Get out. And then this is, put my damn pants up. Then this is the other bathroom, and it has double sinks, his and hers, baby, and a very, very nice big tub. Okay, look at how nosy he is. I really don't care for the tan tile, but it's all good, because like I said, you guys, get out of there. Ain't everything. Literally everything. But yeah, I don't really care for the tan tile, or like the tannish kind of countertops. I know they look kind of white on camera, but they're actually a little bit tan. So I'm gonna change those out as well. And yes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. This was kind of just like a short, simple little video. I kind of wanted to show you guys what the apartment looked like before I start tweaking everything and moving stuff in here. I have a few DIY projects up my sleeve, so make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned for those. Like I said, I plan on kind of tweaking the bathrooms and tweaking the kitchen. And I know a lot of people are probably like, what? Tweaking what? What needs to be done? Because everybody that I've shown thus far this apartment to, my mom, my best friend, my boyfriend's mom, my sister, brother, you know, everybody is kind of just like, don't change nothing. Why do you need to change anything? Da, 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 da. But my last apartment, it kind of like, introduce some things to me that I want to upkeep. Like my last apartment, they were newly renovated apartments, and they had granite countertops. They had, like wood floors, vinyl wood floors, and like the kitchen and the bathroom. And it's just this apartment. This apartment has everything that I wanted: 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, high ceilings, balcony, very spacious, nice spacious kitchen, because my other kitchen was just like a straight walk-through kitchen. But it has some things in like the bathroom and the kitchen that are kind of outdated to me. Like the kitchen faucet here is like the cheapest little $20 faucet that you can possibly find at Home Depot. There's no backsplash. The kitchen countertops, I'm used to granite countertops. They don't have to be granite, but I would just like for them to look a certain way, and I don't really like the way these countertops look. Also, the floors are like these old tiles, and I don't like that. And then the bathrooms, they're just kind of like plain and dull. So I have a few DIY projects up my sleeve, like I said, and I'm about to go ahead and get started on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video and get ready for those. Just to give you guys a kind of like a sneak peek of what you guys can expect, I plan on putting up this stick and peel tile. This is actually very expensive. It comes 10 in a pack for $45, and as y'all see, I have a lot of space to fill. Oh my gosh, I didn't even look up there. Oh gosh. Okay, hopefully I don't need to buy another pack. But yeah, I plan on putting up this backsplash. I plan on putting up contact paper over the cabinets. I plan on putting down marble contact paper over the stuff. And I spent a pretty penny on all of these things because I plan on living here for a little while. This is probably going to be my last apartment until I buy my house. Unless I move to New York, okay? Because that's still a thing, okay? And so I just wanted everything to be like not cheap. So this stuff won't cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start my DIY projects. I also bought stick and peel vinyl hardwood floors. Well, they're not vinyl. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all will see in those other videos that I'm getting ready to do. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you like this video, comment, share, stick around, girl. So I will see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for my DIY projects. Stay tuned for my home decor projects. And then hopefully before my birthday, I will have everything exactly the way I want it, and I can give you guys a new home tour. But I plan on everything looking super modern, super chic, super artsy, super me and my boyfriend. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.